Do you know many people are having trouble with their driver's seat not moving? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Find fuse block. Begin by locating the fuse block under the instrument panel to the left of the steering column. Step 2. Inspect fuses. Open the fuse block and check the fuses and breakers for damage or a broken band. Step 3. Reset breaker. If a circuit breaker is tripped, allow it to reset itself by cooling down. Step 4. Check relays. Find the underhood fuse block and ensure any relays or circuits for the seats are correctly connected. Step 5. Test controls. After making necessary adjustments, test the seat controls to confirm functionality. With these steps, your driver's seat should be working smoothly again. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Cadillac users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.